Hello everyone and welcome to another live stream. Let me share the live and I look in the chat in a second. Alright. Alright, let's see. Now we need to basically update the following: the SDK tools extension, the HTTP one, and the IP one. I'll continue with the IP one. CD extensions. I want to clone it out over here. And yeah. Oh, I also want to code extensions Half-Life 2 SDK because it's been updated and now user messages are working, and I need to also update again which extension which is using it. Git pull origin, no, upstream CS2. Oh, yeah, you're the first one. Did they really do since yesterday about 10 updates? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, they did. Oh shit. Alright. Okay, I've updated it. And now I need to update each extension again, but yeah, they're fixing what was broken. I'm wondering which one had add-ons. This one was having net messages. CD alien modders, HR2 SDK, git pull origin CS2, and yeah, unfortunately, update alien modders, HR2 SDK. It's much better. The fact that now I know functions are being solved, which are being used by me. Okay. Sage and push, and now I'll get back to the code which I needed to update, which is IP extension. Alright, this one, and I also want for now this one. Okay, Now I need to update the LH2 SDK. Git pull origin CS2. Alright. Updated, whatever. Now let me get exactly the stuff that I need to modify. I'm gonna shift B. I want set up PS1. Set up SH. The builder. You have workflows builder. Alright. Now the readme. Swift resource 2. Xmake. The URL on docs. And building using Docker. Alright. I've updated this one. I can remove this, this, and this. And now I'll need to add those files. Alright. No need for Xmake anymore. Let's see. Okay. I don't need it. The name for the extension is IP. Okay. Geolite to PP. Okay, now max mind. .c. These ones are already in here. Just entry point and IP class. Entry point and IP class. Alright, no need for any external libraries. Okay. No defines and the includes are okay. Perfect. So need for AM builder. Ignore Xmake and let's see if it will compile. Alright. Now I need to make some changes in here. Seems okay. Yeah, it seems okay. I also need to make the manage side after I update everything. The manage side for C++. No, for C++, what am I even talking about? For C#. Update files, CS2, AG2 update. Perfect. So we finish with IP. Next one is... I don't need this one. I want this one. The next is HTTP and SDK tools. For SDK tools, I'm waiting for blue to give me some signatures. More exactly for trace shape and trace player B-box. And for HTTP I can work it out like now. But I need to update Lua and some other stuff. Dun, dun, dun. Copy, base, proto buffs, HTTP. Pull origin CS2. Okay, I modified this yesterday. Also, I wanted to start it yesterday, so with some changes, but I've been too lazy to make them. Alright, let's roll out the update for HTTP, because it's also a performance update. Okay. Readme. I run away. I didn't run away. Also this one. No anxiety. No. Alright, now normally I need to make the AM builder, and after I'll make the changes which I need for the update of 170. Okay, we have some C++ files. Do you have anything vendor related? No. So this is enough. Any defines which I need to be aware of? Seems like no. Only some includes. JSON include. Alright. Protobufs are here. Yeah, now I just need to make the files in C++. And done. Circle files. CPP, circle manager CPP. Plugin HTTP. Server manager. And utils. Okay, and I feel like it's enough and it will compile. And it will also work. Dun, 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 dun. How is everyone doing? And how was your day so far? Okay, it compiled, yay. Okay, now what I want to do is make a wrapper for this one, more specifically for the listen. Over here it's okay. Let me update it out. Over here, iHTTP is okay. I have no issue whatsoever with it. And yeah, I was worried that bro, I don't know about you, I woke up at about 8 or 9 a.m. or 8 or 9 in the morning. And yeah, I've slept a lot. Yo, your new monitor, that's cool. Alright, let's continue. Good. HTTP equals to listen, which equals to receiving two arguments, IP port and callback. Function IP port callback. Alright, whatever. I'm laughing at some stuff. Local HTTP server callbacks. And also local ID equals to UID of ID equals callback. I think this is also how I did it in database. One database. That's why I didn't know. Yeah, that's how. If not this one, then return N, because why would you even register an HTTP server without a callback? Makes no sense. So this one, it's gonna have it over there, and we're gonna call an IHTTP listen of IP port and callback UID. Alright. And now it start to listen to this server. Okay. Let me also update it out on... Actually, no. No. I want to also make an add event handler of on HTTP server action performed. Function of event, callback ID, request response. If not having the callback, we're gonna return the event res will continue, and we're gonna also do the callback ID of request and response, and we're gonna return event result stop, even though we will not need anymore the event result over here. Anyway, now I can simply also update the JavaScript side. Add event handler, okay, okay, okay. I want ES6 style function. If it's not having this one, then return it. Alright. Try and catch. Seems fine. HTTP server callback, return stop. Okay, this one is perfect. Now we're gonna need to make a global HTTP. Where is it over here? HTTP, perfect. What else do we need? Yeah, nothing. I just made the ES6 function. If type callback it's not function, then return. I'll probably need to make the same check over here. If type it's not function, then return end. Okay, better. We're gonna let this one, we're gonna put over here this. It's gonna add it and it's gonna start listening to it. Perfect. The rest of the changes now need to be made inside C++. STD string. We're gonna have an STD string callback ID. It seems like it's okay. The destructor is over there. Yeah, it seems okay. Swift rest2. Now I want, actually no, hold up. Request ID. Over here it seems okay, I don't need to edit anything. I probably need to see how can I make the headers. Over here I need to make the changes. Nothing here. Same with this one. Over here, STD string callback. I don't know what is with this to delete. Okay, I've seen now what is with it. So I need to put a callback. Over here, this one is enough. Whoa, 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 hold up. Well, this is a bad thing, what I've done over here. The additional part is not a good thing. Okay, and Okay, something is up. So I'll just remove this one and leave the callback. Yeah. Or yeah, I'll just leave the callback and update this. First thing that we need to do is to update the HTTP server. Or hold up. Over here is the string I need to delete. Come on, just find it. Okay, it's been found. E value nowhere to be seen. Listen. It will register the server and it will push this one. Okay, what do I want to do? Just leave it that over there. And this one is required because I need to remove it from the HTTP server. String callback ID equals to std anycast of std string var of 2. I could have implemented more properly, but it's a legacy code. Seems alright over here. Now the callback is the problem. Huh. Intriguing. Okay, you have this one, I don't care about that. The server is gonna always work. Register its listener, okay. Callback, the callback is actually okay. Okay, see. So I need to put over here std string callback ID. Callback ID is HTTP listeners. Void and std string. Std string callback ID. Perfect. And now we will push a pair. Unregistered HTTP server listener. It's sending the std string callback. Wait a second, std string callback ID. Alright. Erase it, and if its size is 0, it's gonna stop, delete, and erase it from the list. Let me change the music out. Okay. Now, what shall I do? Look, over here, I don't understand why am I even getting the kind. That's what was making me like to be like, huh? Alright, HTTP callback is std string, which is a callback ID. Keep your hands. Okay, function HTTP callback. It's gonna call that and yada yada yada. Okay, perfect. Seems alright. Now what I need to do is I need to modify over here std string callback ID. So I need to put the callback ID, request and response, wait, and for each 10 milliseconds it will wait the response from the sync thread. I was also thinking, how can I store the specific plugin? From which the server started listening. But I think that I can make a map over here, plugin HTTP, what is its constructor? It's keeping the plugin name. So I can map the plugin name and the callback ID. Yeah. And it's gonna be a better thing. Which will also optimize the events and the response time overall. Let me update the embedder and the Swift3 extension. Repository, ignore xmake, and let's head back in. Have the callback ID, it's gonna be sent inside next frame. Now when we have a listen, we also have a plugin name. So we can do std map of std string and std string callback plugin map. Listen, we're gonna add the callback and we're gonna set it to this plugin name to be set, which seems alright. We're also gonna require over here a trigger event std any res, which is gonna be used in mostly nothing. We're gonna send this event, we're gonna send HTTP request and HTTP response. We're also gonna retrieve the response, and the plugin will be based on the callback. So we're gonna optimize also everything. Callback plugin map of callback. Okay. Make everything. It will mark this ones to be deleted on garbage collection, and it should be alright. E-value. Okay, we have nothing. So Over here I also wanna erase the callback ID so that I'll free up memory. Please don't wake me up. Over here I have the request ID. Request ID plugin map. I can filter this by the request ID, and for HTTP callback I'll make the following. Over here we're gonna set the request ID to be equal to this plugin name, which seems to be the right decision. And now everything is optimized out. It will compile, probably not, but let's see. New plugin HTTP. We're also setting plugin name, which is okay. Let's see if it will compile. Three, two, one, go. I said go. Just do it. New plugin HTTP. Also the thing is that I will need to make some way to retrieve this IHTTP variable, like at least its value. And of course it didn't compile. Yay. If we are okay. Now it'll be alright. So the only thing which I need to modify is, or not even modify, add inside C# is to see how can I retrieve the value of a variable. Either that, or I'll make a function which will create a variable for me. I think the creating function is far more easier to do, but for now I'm not gonna worry about that. Update update HTTP, yeah, update files cs2 ag2 update. Now at least I optimized the HTTP. All right. And only extension standing for update is SDK tools. Let's see what else do they have. Loop switch. Oh, okay. I don't think this is something that I'm using, and that is actually be used anywhere, whatever. Tier 3. Oh, this one is used inside Metamod. Yeah, I'm not gonna enter into that. Okay, and now the only extension required to be updated is SDK tools. Yoink. Let's see. I don't need this one anymore. I'm thinking, what can I do? Because on my to-do list, I'm still having the C# extension integration and the database query builder, in which the query builder will be made once the extension integration is done. Actually, it's gonna be done at the same time. Yeah. Over here I want the callback to be if type of callback is not a function, then return end. Because why the hell would you even set a callback to not be a function? Type of callback is not function. Return it, and voila. Yeah, seems about right. Yep. Okay. Over here it's a bad thing what I did. I need to put a global. And seems to be alright. I also need to make the register call stack in C#. I don't think there's something else to do over here. I want to code again in HTTP because, for example, on HTTP requests, I have over here the callbacks. Hold up. Over here we have the callback, and I'm not sure get HTTP response header value. Oh, now I remember. Why didn't? Okay, so the problem over here is that the HTTP so basically I can get the headers. Release cookie container prioritize body request. Also create cookie container is interesting. Yeah, There's absolutely no way to get the headers, unfortunately. Okay. And I think that I can also make some stuff. For HTTP. Like add some callbacks and so on in the stack trace. It's gonna get a source, HTTP server callback, and unregister it. So at least if it crashes the HTTP callback, we'll have some info. Every time I try to run this show, HTTP client callback. Okay, stack ID, whatever. It's okay. Now. Oh, interesting. For JavaScript I already did it. But for Lua I didn't. Well, that's... a very strange thing from me. Okay, I don't think that there's anything else to do. Yeah, seems alright. Update scripting and call stack. Okay. The other thing we need to do is the register call stack inside the API. Don't mind my cat. Let's say I have over here register call stack. I do. And it's also a function available in scripting. It's available in documentation? No! Why? Let me add it in the docs. MISC register call stack JSON. I want the function registers an entry in the plugin call stack, which appears in the crash reporter. We have here plugin name string, and we also have the text string. Returns uint64 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, uint64. uint64. Which seems alright. Alright. Now I also want an unregistered call stack. Unregistered call stack removes an entry from the crash reporter call stack. ID uint64 returns void. Okay. Generators, document. What do we have? Docgen. Node index. Huh? Where is this appearing? Forgive me. I'm very intrigued. Because, for example, okay, at int 8 I understand it. Let me just copy this one. I don't want this. What the hell am I even doing over there? Docgen functions, generate types. CS replacer. I have it, yeah. Where is this one coming from? And most probably is an issue. Includes This is strange. No, I don't need this one. That's dangerous. Yeah. Let's see. Why would it? Generate its type. And seems to be right. The problem is only on JavaScript. So there's something wrong over here with the splits. With the functions it's okay. Hey, the rest seems to be alright. Sepals. Yeah, now it's okay. Alright. I'm thinking more on how unless the documentation has register call stack. Let me also add it inside. Yeah. I don't know what to say about that, mentor. I'll think about it. I've seen the votes, how they went, and I need to see exactly what shall I do with it. Over here I don't need the core stack because it will it? I don't think. I mean I don't know. Okay, whatever. Public. What I need to do is simply think about the JavaScript and the downsides of still maintaining it, the limitations and the upsides of it. There's probably no upside whatsoever, but yeah, I still need to see what exactly do I need to do. There's also other stuff to add over here. Let me put it on my to-do. C# 1 underline utils law, because I still need to make these ones. The find players reply to comment, I think. UID, compute pretty time. These ones I don't need to, and this valid weapon is valid item. These ones I still need to do. But anyway, not void new void to string. Finish the UID. Yeah, you know what? Let's make them now. Utils, yes. No, we'll see about JavaScript. Public static CS2 public static, you have a list of strings of items list which equals to Item, item, and item. Why did it add this one? Okay. I also need this one for weapons. Okay. Public static list of string weapons list. Come on, you can't even format. Alright. Weapons. No. What is even wrong? Non-constant. The constant cannot be marked as static. Okay, makes no sense whatsoever. I hate IntelliSense. Alright. I don't do ways to lose my player. Remove this one. Is valid item. If we get game name equals CS2, return utils.cs2 item list contains name, as return false. Weapons list. Done. Have plugins lists, yes. What else do we need? Compute pretty time. Yeah, this one is required. So, if seconds equals 0, return fetch translation of core forever. Null. I can also overload it. And this is gonna be null. Okay, actually, you know what? Why don't you give me a -1? Let me check the implementation of fetch translation. Yeah, either it's null or -1 should be fine. Else. Compute pretty time. I need to have it over here for references. If seconds less than 60, return fetch translation for seconds. Replace time with seconds to string. 3686 and an else. Minutes, hours, and mat floor 60 to string. For the decimal written as register. And matf, what is matf? Okay, I see. 3600. This is gonna be days. Days. 86,400. Yeah, another function done. UID is okay. Fish translation is okay. Reply to command. This one needs to be done. If player ID equals -1, else it's gonna console right line the text, otherwise it's gonna be player equals to get player of player ID. If player equals no return. If player is fake client, return. Player send message type chat. We're gonna have prefix and then text. Done. As simple as that. Now the harder function is coming. I want to have over here the team selector. And I can set it over here. It's alright. Dictionary of string and team. City, T and spec. And now we also have a live state selector. Alive, dying, dead. Live state dot die life alive, live state dying, live state dead. Live state. Perfect. Seems alright. Until now. So, where's the generic? Mesh bots, look. List of player matched players equals to an empty list. Okay, for int I equals 0, I less than 64, I plus plus. Player get player of I If player
cruising Biscayne, hit fire, top off, that's a liability, big fire, hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, big fire, Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fire, Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fire, rep the set, gotta rep the set, gang, chase a chick, never chase a bitch.
Alright, let's continue. If player is fake client and it doesn't match bots, we're gonna continue. If target equals to all, we're gonna continue, and also matched players, add the player. If target starts with hashtag, local player ID, no local int player ID, int p equals to target, replace hashtag with nothing, online, no, C# string to int, convert it, okay, enter to parse. Alright, have the player ID if p equals to I, match, continue, perfect. Normally I'd assume it's safe to break it. Because it's gonna be only one iteration. But now it also depends. Continue. Alright. If utils team cs2 team selector includes contains the target, contains key of target, local, no, c base entity and equals to player dot c base entity, and in your continue, actually if and not null, if int is valid, if this team number equals to the of target, what seems to be the issue? Let him bite. Oh, team. Alright. If it's the same, it's gonna add it and continue. Same is for the live state. live state selector. Live state. Alright. Now the Steam IDs. If player gets Steam ID to string equals to target, or player Steam ID 2 equals to target, we're gonna add it to the matched ones. Now local C base player controller equals to player C base controller. If it exists, if controller is valid, if player name find contains target, it's gonna add it in this one. And now we also have var trigger events trigger event. Events trigger event of find player by target. We're gonna want to iterate for I and for target. If res dot local event var event data equals res item 2. If event data, if event data get return of boolean equals to true, you'll add them over here. And that's it. Return matched players. Don't worry. Seems about right. I don't think there's anything else to make over here. Have the find players by target, we have the reply to command, UID, compute pretty time. Have the validation, yeah, it's okay. Everything seems to be kind of alright. Over here I can already bypass the function to not lose performance on this one. Okay. And the rest is correlated. What I want to do is also add the functions for register call stack and unregister call stack. So we need to do the following: public static ulong register call stack string plugin name string text. We're gonna return none ulong. Put over here this one and text. Have register call stack and voila. Void unregister call stack. Oh, plugin name. Ulong ID. Perfect. And for register costing documentation plugin name string. Alright. Seems to be perfect for now. Let's sync up the manage side. Alright, we'll see what changes did we make. Almost a lot. Yeah, more changes were in call context for performance, and of course in the cacher. Update server, update managed some optimizations and features. Two seconds. All right. Push it out and voila. Now what we need to do is what we need to do now is to make for each extension the manage side. But first I want to update SDK tools. Because this is the last one standing. Without an update. And after, yeah, I need to make the changes for managed in each extension so the developers can access them. Yeah, compiled. Actually, not compiled. Whoa. Fetched. Let me close these ones because I don't need them for now. Two seconds. I'll need to hide my screen for a bit to move something on the secondary monitor. Okay. Yeah, seems okay, this one. Like this. Alright. Let's get back to work. First things first, we need to make the workflows. Next one, set up SH, set up PS1, the readme, xmake over here, Swift 3 S2, SK tools extension, SK tools, okay, and this one, okay, this is signature for trace shape. Yeah. And now let me get something. Okay, whatever. Hopefully these offsets are alright. I consider it okay. This one, even though I'm sure there were some changes. For example, vehicle params, I don't think it was before. All the other motors. Yeah, it wasn't. They don't need it. I mean, this one can stay like this. It's alright. I need to update it out. Okay. Alright, query object set. This one is one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so one got removed. 0, 1, 2, 3. So let me update it out. On the game. And also this one. Perfect. Seems alright over here. Overall. Yeah, it's okay. SDK. That's classic. Alright, I don't think that there's something else related to this. Yeah, it's alright over here. Okay, trace shape. Trace shape, trace play B-box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I am not on earth just so I can be your incubator. AK-47s, assault rifles, and a Glock. All the more protected than a woman screaming stop. And if you wanna fight, you got it. Put 'em up, let's see them hands. 3.9 million women needing you. Don't
Okay. I can never snitch. That's all I need. Let's update everything out. Let's see how it's going. Yeah, I know. Anything else I need to change? No, I don't think so. I need to make the AM builder. It seems like it's the default one, so that's alright. They're gonna actually crap. SDK, okay. SRC entity CPP, SRC ray trace CPP, and that's it. If I'm not mistaken, I can. Yeah, this one is okay to delete. Now let's see if it compiles. If it compiles, done with SDK tools too. Classic. Wait. This one now returns a pointer. Okay. Nah, no. For me, no. No, I don't want to hear. Oh hell nah. No. Alright. Proto buffs, and we're gonna move it to SDK tools. Man. You'll see in some seconds. Actually, no, I just let you know Electronics is laughing at you for what I've told him. Oh, nothing. You did nothing wrong. Yeah, behind your back. Oh no. Oh, so I moved this one. Okay. Out and out. Yeah, seems to be about right. Let me ignore the xmake files. Ok. No, pentru asta, Dănuț, du-te dracu. I don't want to say anything political in my chat, thanks. I'm being triggered if I see it. Fuck the system. I don't know that bitch. Let's see now. Finally, this one come to an end. SDK tools. Now, what we need to do is to make each manage side. And after that one, I need to make the classes. Actually, not the classes, no. I need to update the core to support the new stuff. Like, it already supports, but I want it to simply work with the new CS version. Because right now I'm developing on an old CS version, and yeah. Sometimes it sucks. So now, not forever. Also, for the for what? Let me think. For virtual guy, I will disable it, but not remove it, because I'm pretty sure that there will appear a method. Let's make the manage side of each extension. Oh my days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 extensions we managed. It's gonna be interesting. Let's start with WebSocket. Alright, managed. And now over here, what we have exposed? We have this class, WebSocket of variable, which is created with an instance of this one. I mean, it doesn't hurt to simply have the constructor. I have them managed over here, so WebSocket CS namespace swift3s2.api extensions, and I can make a public class WebSocket. I have now public static function. No, it's not a function. I want to start a server. It's gonna be a string int port and an action of, what does the callback have? String server UID, client ID, which I don't know what it is. You know what? Let's look in documentation. String long string string. Okay. String long string string. Actually, a new long. Callback. I'm gonna take the callback from database actually. Got another lessons. Database. I also need a dictionary for this one. So let's make it out. A dictionary of callbacks. Have this one. Server callbacks. Perfect, and now we need this one. What else shall we have? We need to make the WebSocket variable. So I want over here the initialize context thing. WS for WebSockets. Have a WS star listen. We're gonna use the CTX. We're gonna also class function. And voila. We did this one. I have port, we have callback UID, and it's perfect. That's all I wanted. Alright. Initialize context. Now the next thing required is the add event handler. But you know what? Let me make it out over here. Because it will ensure that I have this events. What? I have a handler. Events dot S2 API. Oh, scripting. Anyway, very strange, very strange. I created it over here. So you have events, scripting. Now we need to get the exact way for the callback. Events have a string server UID. I don't see how this one got like this. Ah, I see now. Server UID, client ID, kind and message, dictionary of string and action. Of this kind. Perfect. If contains key of server UID, we're gonna call the server ID, client ID, kind of message. Perfect. Return a value, so I need to return the callback UID. Seems to be right. Extensions. What happens if I move it over here? Nothing interesting. Still seems to be alright. Have the start server. Now we need to have the public void stop server. But over here we're gonna require server UID. Have the stop server, and it's gonna be server UID, and try if contains key, if remove. Perfect. Start server, stop server. Send message. The problem is that it's an any. This one. Public static void server u string server UID long client ID and message. I don't want it to be only a string, I want it to be an object. So over here, this one, send server message to client, and it seems to be right. Perfect. To all clients, no more client ID. It's still an object, this one. I am not so sure about this. Actually, let me just make it a string because I'm not trusting the users. And I'd rather have wrappers everywhere than trust the users to make everything alright. Also, shut the hell up, Jan. String DNS. I didn't even make you a moderator. Sure, I'll give you moderator. Hold up. Now you've got moderator. Don't come over here and ask for stuff. What the fuck? You guys are crazy. Learn to be better, for fuck's sake. Can't even imagine. Then it's gonna be a string. It's secure. It's secure if I'm sure if it's a boolean. It's secure boolean, yeah. Bool path string. And a callback. Alright. Seems to be fine. Yeah. String DNS int port int. Yeah, leave it as int. It's the same thing. Bool is secure. String path. Action of string callback. Client callbacks. Perfect. And now I need to make a connect to server. Yes, port is secure. Path. Oh, Okay, so this one is returning a string. String connection equals to this one. Empty. If connection equals to this one, return. Actually, return connection. It's gonna be a string. Client callbacks dot add connection and callback. Perfect. Seems to be alright. This farewell and the rod. There's no God that die. Perfect. I've done this myself. If client callbacks contains key. And now I still have a send message to server. Connection UID. Send message and voila. Done with WebSockets. Wait, I'm lying. I need to make another event handler. I'm start again. Yeah, seems to be alright. It compiles and yeah. So now I'll just put it in managed. Yeah, it's pretty decent. Yeah. Fit extension managed. Echo test GPG clear sign. I'll look. What the hell do you want to send me? No. 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 Hold up. Oh no. Okay, I will not even show it on the live. I will not. I'll not show on the live stream what he just sent me. For my personal benefit and protection, I will not. So I finished with WebSockets. This one, it doesn't need a managed side. No, I'm not you're not even in my basement. You're at 1,000 kilometers away. Actually, not even 1,000, that 400 to 500. No. Also, give me the signature for check jump. Because I've told you already yesterday to give it to me. Yeah. Yeah, make signatures. No. Make signatures. Oh, I remembered. I shouldn't have updated this one. Yeah, for Converse, no. Did I make yesterday an update? Alright. Ice recipient, let's say it's okay. Seems alright, the only thing I need to do is these functions. Managed. Yeah, shut the hell up and talk in English, thanks. Player utils. Player utils. Alright, let me get this one. I don't need this anymore. No, I need set bunny hop. I think so, yeah. I have to see how much I'm willing to do it. Public static bool get bunny hop into player ID. Return invoke call native player utils ctx player ID. What do I need to do? Add class function. I need to make the constructor. Alright. So boolean returns whatever. Okay. Bool. Good. Next one. I also need to initialize the context. It's the game event string too. Game event. What's wrong? Okay, nothing. Public static void in player ID bool state. Initialize and set bunny hop. Done. As simple as that. Only one. It's okay because it's automatically removed by the embedder. So that's a good thing. Seems to be alright. Push it out. And done with this one. Next one is SDK tools. Yeah, I don't know what to say about this one. I'm not willing to make this. Only if I can somehow generate it. I'll probably put blue, make it. Because what the hell? Actually, it can be generated, so it's decent. Uh, what if I'm gonna take the generator from the core and use it? Node index. Why do I have these ones? How did it generate them? Black magic? You know, wait. Ray trace. Okay. Seems to be alright. But I'm still not sure. How did it even manage to get the scripting? Okay, now it's another thing. Have B-box, we have trace shape. No, we don't. Because I also need to make the documentation. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'd rather have it like this. Where did I even say black magic? Sure. And if something came. Let's keep doing this. I want over here to add the ray trace. So it requires only this one. Now you also have SDK. Whoa. Oh, there's a value. Hold break. Nice. Out with you. If it's breaking my code, I don't even want to see you. Where did you know? Okay. And alright. Seems to be okay. Anything else that I shall be aware? Yeah. Ray trace. API extensions, SDK tools. dot SDK. No, if you're the one. I think it's alright, everything. Have SDK tools and we have yeah. Entities. Hold up, because I forgot to make the implementation of two functions. Okay. Public class entities, public static void, listen to these ones, string class name, internal API invoker call native, global listen function class name. Also another one, remove, and done. Perfect, good as new. Now we have the manage side. Managed. Pretty daydream crazy. Oh. Ray trace SDK. Manage is gonna have sdk.cs. There's gonna be this one, and it's gonna have ray trace CS. Gonna be this one. It's gonna have entities. It's gonna be this one. The more interesting part is gonna be over here. Ray trace SDK, same over here. And yeah. Hush. Ha 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 ha. Okay, perfect. Alright. Next one is MySQL IP HTTP, and that's it. I think I'll end the stream here because I've already did a lot on it. I hope you guys liked watching me working. Thank you for simply staying with me on stream, and we'll see each other at a later time. Probably today, probably tomorrow. Bye bye!